added my own plug because unfortunately the LED strip uses up one of the little plugs there, so then that only gives you one. So I bought a little separate plug, so that gives me a couple extra plug-ins for USB. But other than that, it's a great headboard, and it's got different options on the lights where you can turn them down so they're not so bright, and you can change colors. And they'll even blink along with music.
So these two holes never line up. No matter how much I push, they just do not line up. So this is just annoying. All the other holes lined up, and I loosened them to maybe get more wiggle room so that I could get these to line up. And I have tilted it and twisted it and pushed it, and it will not line up. The hole is like in the middle there, and they're just too far apart.
And honestly, that was awful. I just wouldn't wish that on me.
Love it.